favor of love marriage, where two individuals choose each other based on affection, understanding, and mutual respect. Where we fell in love with somebody we know, and there is a emotional bond which gives our relationship to grow in a suitable way and go in a very comfortable way. There is a no problem between our relationship. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, so it was very nice introduction from the team A. So now I would like to hear an introduction from the team B. Okay, Suryansh, go ahead.
Okay, Jai Hind, ladies and gentlemen. Why I support the arranged marriage? As Mahatma Gandhi said, love never demand anything. This is how the arranged marriage start. Firstly, it start with understanding the people and followed by the love. So thank you.
Okay, so it was very short, crisp, and impactful introduction from the team B. Okay, so now we would like to move to team A again, who would like to give their own introduction. Okay, Adil.
So very good morning. I'm Muhammad Adil and I'm in the favor of love marriage. As we all know that life is too long, and for that we need a soulmate and a life partner for the whole journey. And think, if we can't choose our spouse and we can't love that person, then just think what about the rights, what about the freedom, and what all about the constitution if I don't have right to choose the spouse of my own choice. So for me everything is meaningless if I can't decide. Thank you.
Okay, so it was very powerful introduction from Adil. Now I would like to invite team B, who would like to give their own introduction. So every participant will have to speak. Yeah, Krishna.
So good morning everyone. My name is Krishna Singh. I am today strongly favor in the arranged marriage because of actually I have an example of my mother. She is also involving from the arranged marriage and I see how the journey is going on and how the lifestyle is ours. So that is why I'm supporting, and that is why I'm also seeing in the like society there is a more people than like accept love marriage. They are doing arranged marriage because they have the trust on the love marriage. That's all about the topic.
Okay, so Krishna has his own example how the love arranged marriages. Team B, Shilpi ma'am. Okay, go ahead.
Good morning and Jai Hind. This is Silpi. Marriage is a very important social institution. Every individual wants to have a perfect partners, but criteria is differ. So I want to prefer love marriage because in the love marriage we can choose our partner whom we know very well, and we decide our life live with happily.
Good. Okay, so now I would like to call team B. Okay, so Daman. So Daman is ready to give his own introduction. Ready?
A very good morning, very warm good morning to all of you. Hello everyone, this is Daman and I am strongly favor the arranged marriage. In arranged marriage, there is a custom and rituals are there. We follow, and arranged marriage is also ancient time marriage, you know. And in Indian culture, we mostly favor these things. And in arranged marriages, especially mother and father, even in families also involved in this. So this is if like in both of girls and boys, if the thing is not going good, so families also involved with this and change all the things like his mindset and all of the things. Thank you so much.
Good. So family
marriage, you marry who you love, but in arranged marriage, you love who you marry. I firmly believe love marriage just because of it builds on personal choice, deep understanding, mutual connection with each other, and emotional connection also. Today I will show you that how arranged marriages works. We are going to spend our whole time with any second person, so I think we should choose and we have right. So I think we should use our partner according to myself. So it's all about myself. Thank you so much.
Okay, so in this team, Vijaya ma'am I think left. So she will give her own introduction.
Good morning everyone.
My name.
Okay, sorry.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vijaya. Today, I am in favor of arranged marriage. First of all, I want to tell what is arranged marriage. Arranged marriage is a kind of marriage where couple is selected by their family rather than choosing their own partners. Most of the cases in India, 80% marriages are happen in arranged marriage. Why? Because it has been giving a positive result, and less than 1% divorce cases is happen in. Thank you.
Okay, marriages in India are happening through arranged marriage, and there are less divorce rate among arranged marriages. Okay, so now Priya I think left, so she will tell her own introduction.
Good morning everyone. I'm Priya. I'm supporting love marriage. I think love marriage is better because in love marriage couple know each other from long time and know their choices, and they have got high compromise. It's all about. Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Akshay Pratap Singh. Firstly, I am going to tell marriage is the bonding of two souls, whether then that is a love marriage or arranged marriage. In this time both are right, but I am strongly in favor of arranged marriage because arranged marriage is arranged by our parents, our family and our relatives, and it is the more successful greater than love marriage.
Good. So here we bring the end of the first round. That was our introduction round. Now we are going to start rebuttal round, and rebuttal round will be going to very intense because here will be the arguments, counter questions, answers, and there will be a fight, not physically but through the words. As we have heard rightly, pen is mightier than the sword. Okay, so fights mostly fought on the name of ideas. So that's why today's topic is war of words. Let's idea dance. So let's start our rebuttal round. So I would like to start from a team A. So raise your hands. Why are you supporting love marriage? Present your arguments based on stats, figures and survey reports. Who would like to start from team A? Okay, Priya ma'am, go on. So you have 2 minutes in this round, okay? To speak.
So I think that love marriage is better than arranged marriage because in love marriage you know about your couple, your partner, and in arranged marriage you meet only first time or second time, but in love marriage you know from long time. As I will ask you that matrix student will be good or BSc student will be good, then you will reply that BSc because they have got experience, and they have got experience, and they also passed matrix, and as like same things in love marriage because in love marriage you spend long time with your partners.
Okay, so in love marriage we get to know the partner before marrying, and we have a mutual understanding rather than marrying to a stranger. What she is trying to say. Yes? Okay, from team B, who would like to refute? Okay, Suryansh.
So if you just look at the fact, what you find is that the less okay, sorry. You look at the divorce rate. You find in the India only 1 and 2% divorce rate in the arranged marriage. And if you just talk about the love marriage, 20 and 30%. And if you just look at the globally, 4 to 5% in the arranged marriage, and 40 to 50% in the love marriage. Okay. And if the Harvard University shows the data that if you just love arranged marriage, after a 10 year you find that you love more than the love marriage. Like the data goes gradually, it's not going smooth and then downfall. So the more stability is there in the arranged marriage, the more fragmenting is there. And the kind of love you're talking about, knowing each other, it's not a love, it's a kind of the lust. And I don't think that you know the difference between love and lust. Firstly clear what is love and lust, then you find what is the love and how the marriage is going on. Thank you.
Okay, good. So it was very impactful with the stats and data. So you are fooling on the name of love. Somewhere it is a lust. What he is trying to say. और मैं पार्टिसिपेंट्स को कहना चाहूँगा, अगर आपको मज़ा भी आ रहा है कुछ आर्गुमेंट्स में, तो तालियां भी बजा सकते हैं बीच बीच में. ओके, ऐसा नहीं कि तालियां बजाने से एनर्जी खत्म हो जाएगी. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ये पावरफुल स्टेटमेंट बोली गई है,
If we see about data, what is the dowry rate in India in arranged marriages? According to NCRB data 2021, per year 6,589 deaths just because of arranged marriage in dowry. We can see recently news, Mohali news, a girl ended her life just because of her in-laws tortured her because of dowry. And recently we can see in Tamil Nadu, Nagpur news, Chaitali Kamli, she also ended her life just because of dowry. So it's okay, as Suryan sir mentioned that what is the divorce rate. So if we see in urban areas, every youth, approx 85 youth prefer a love marriage. Why? Because I have right to choose my partner. Thank you so much from my side.
Okay, again. It was very impactful from team A also. So she stated many incidents that recently happened, and what happened in the arranged marriage, there are domestic violence. They ask dowry, and if it is not fulfilled, they kill even the bride. Okay, they torture, there are domestic violence. So what will I have to say, team B? Okay, Krishna, go ahead.
So I want to counter ma'am. She just said that.
Is it okay?
She just said that dowries happened in the arranged marriage. So you can also see in the arranged marriage they have to choose the right person. They have to choose the values of their family, reputation of their family, and it is also like dowry was saying. It is also happened in the love marriage. They also demanding, if their parents involving in the marriage, they also demanding the dowry. They also demanding the social things. They also demanding the jewelries as well as anything come inside that argument. So that is the point. If you are involving in both side of marriage, they are they want to see their girls in a good manner, in a happy manner. So that is why they are giving dowry, and they are taking their dowry. So that is why I'm thinking dowry is, if they are giving taking too much dowry, then it can be fault. But if they are giving as an offer, then it can be not good. It's good.
Okay. So Krishna's argument is that so dowry is not only associated with arranged marriage; it is also happening in love marriage. But if you had mentioned some data or some incident, so that will be more valuable for us. Okay. So later on you can add. So now I would like to move to team A. Okay, Adil. माइक ऑफ मत करना कोई, ठीक है.
मुलाकात बस 10 मिनट की, पर उम्र भर का साथ, समोसों की प्लेट में तौल दिए जज्बात. सरकारी है बेटा, जिंदगी बन जाएगी, गोरी है लड़की, किस्मत चमक जाएगी. नाम क्या है, जो भी हो अब तुम्हारा ही नाम लग जाएगा. ना शक्ल से प्यार, ना बातों से लगाव, बस गोत्र से काम बन जाएगा.
Yes.
So guys, don't you think that we are just selling the emotions of our son and daughter on the only name of the so-called custom? We are not valuing the emotions of our son and our daughter. We have just a pressure of social pressure that you have to just marry your daughter and son. In India, we are just considering the daughters are just like burden. That's why we are trying to marry her with any person. For example, if a man have a handsome salary, then wow, then it's a good factor. Just go and tie your daughter with him. If a girl is very beautiful, then go just tie your son with her. Don't you think that you should first ask your son and daughter, would you really like her to marry or not? Thank you.
Oh, so it was very, very impactful from team A. And what they are trying to say, so it is a kind of contract, or it is a business dealing when we do arranged marriage. Because there are some set of conditions. If a boy is a government employee and then they demand something, and somewhere handsome boy or girl have to compromise their needs. Okay, So now what you have to say? Okay, Vijaya ma'am.
You are telling about business, means love marriage, it's a very good kind of deal, but I am telling about this is a business deal. I'm yes, if we talk about girls side, girls always keep her points before boy. I will marry with you in the condition of that I'll not if your parents will not interfere in our personal view, then I'll come with you. And whole thing, whatever it would be in a household works, I'll not manage all the things. And after marriage, I will go another area, leaving your family. I will not support your family. I will support only with you.
Okay, good. So now we are moving to team.
Just about love marriage versus arranged marriage. It is just about social bonding, mutual understanding, and love each other. So in the love marriage, we can eliminate casteism and we can reduce the waste of expenditure of marriage by the mutual understanding both families. So I prefer love marriage, and the love marriage we are living in relationship for a long time, so we know very well what she is like, what's hers like and dislike, so we can live with happily for a long time. So as you say, in the arranged marriage, girls are always demanding and gender equality, and in the arranged marriage gender equality is not everywhere, because in the love marriage both are take her decision on. So thank you so much.
Okay, so we are moving to Daman.
Hello everyone. So as you can see that Adil sir said that arranged marriage is like a contract, you know. This is a, I think,
Yeah, contract.
contract, and this is a business, you know. Okay, so tell me one thing, sir. If this is a business and this is a contract, then the success rate of arranged marriage is that, and the success rate of love marriage is that. Yeah, this is business, okay? And you said that if any handsome boy and any too much good person or who's earning too much, they demand lot of money. The money, whatever thing was given from the daughter side was given daughter side is used by only boy, not girl. If the bed was given by the daughter side, the bed is used by girl, only boy, not a girl. The car was given by the daughter side, only used by boy, not a girl. So you cannot say that this is a marriage, this is a contract, this is a what he said it? What he said it? This is a business. Okay, you cannot say that. And in love marriage, in arranged marriage, we follow custom and rituals. And this arranged marriage is a Indian culture. Okay, so you cannot say that this is a business or something. Thank you so much.
Okay.